What's up, zztvers? Today's video is
we are going to make a video of the cooks.
Papa Flyer again.
Yeah,
Today's...
and we got to make a video of the Among Us.
You want to make a video of Among Us again?
Yeah, again. But we got to make it again. The airship and the moon. Yeah, not the like the driving one, and we did it to the
Look at
gas,
them, not me.
and we will go do the gas one. You already do the gas?
I don't know to you. So guys, araw ng linggo, abang na naman tayo.
I have a new magic power. It is I can go teleport somebody up there.
Oh, you can teleport.
Tree.
Go nga, sige nga. Show me the magic. No, there's a portal here, oh. Oh, where did you go now? You're gone. So guys, we're here na at the top. Oh, there's the portal na. Wow, there you go. Oh, there's the portal. Hello. Portal here at the top. Super hot scene. The chair, oh. How can you sit here? How can you sit here? Oh, why are you letting them out? Because the papa would be ano eh. It's coming na eh.
One of them can go back home.
Yeah. But the papa flyer.
But these two are good.
Oh yeah, the milkmaids, they always came, they came home late.
Maybe we should make a mess.
Hmm?
Smell like a fried chicken.
You smell like fried chicken? Maybe you are hungry. You can sit pa dyan.
Wait, we forgot the coin with the magic tool when you have. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No!
What? The coin? Mamaya mo na kunin. Hot pa yan eh, nabilad sa arawan eh. I told you, don't touch it pa. And so guys,
Go away! Go away!
why are you scaring them? You want to get the?
Baby, so I can show them he's big now.
Ah, you showed it to our viewers. So guys, gataran ang ating race lap ngayon. It is how many, how far away say? 280 plus
That's not
miles?
high.
Yeah, 280 plus miles away from
No,
our
it's
house.
Not. It is 0.0000012 million days, so the baby can grow big.
So, ang oras ng release natin ay...
He told you he will come back. I told you he will come back.
Oh yeah. So, ang oras ng release natin ay 6:45 ng umaga. And liliparin nila yon ng ilan? Hindi ko alam eh. Mga 6 to 9 hours or 5 to 9 hours.
Papa, I lick you.
So, yung pala, papakita ko yung forecast. Buti na lang, naalala natin. Lalagay ko dito sa gilid sa susunod na slide. So, ito yung ano natin. Forecast for today. You're gonna show the baby, you said, diba? Where's the baby? Did you get him?
Yeah, but I can't. The mama would bite me.
Mama will peck you. Peck like that. Ito guys, oh. Init. Maliwanag. Ayan, paligid. Ng paligid. Oh, meron dito itim. Naulap. Get to ba? I'm just showing. Why you crying? Oh, I'll get the baby na. I'm just showing the viewers how how's the weather eh. How's the weather? So guys, oh, ba't ginaganyan mo? Baby, show us the baby. That's the new baby.
And let's see what he will want.
He's waiting for his dad. Oh. He's a little dark.
Yo, he feather won't move. Hello. Hello.
Don't touch the poop. Someone saying hello. Saying, Ate Rain? Oh, yeah. Baka mahulog siya doon sa gilid ha.
Got him.
Got him. I'll just wash my hands. Sing. So guys, handa na ba kayo? Mabali ang leeg natin. So, meron pa tayong ibong nasa labas. Mga gusto ng mangitlog. They don't want to get back inside their house. They're looking for somewhere to put a nest. Oh! What did you do? You think that's funny? You hurt the baby pigeon.
That's how.
Yeah. Hold it properly, not ano.
Backwards.
Pinapatamling mo yung kalapa. Don't do it again ha. Kasi kawawa naman. He's looking at the ano na, at the house.
Don't go down there. You fall down.
Catch him.
Catch him.
I told you don't do that na eh. Who's that? Someone's flying. It's a blue bar. Who's that? Is that ours?
Flip it. Baho ay good.
No,
Baho
that's
ay good.
that's a ano eh, red bar eh.
Baho ay good. Baho ay good. It's baho ay good. Good or baho? Good or baho? Good or baho? Good or baho? Go to my papa. No, go here. Go. Go to my papa. He's going on you. He's going on you. Papa, so guys, I was trying to get the baby because I was trying to show you something. A white feather.
Yeah.
You see?
You see? Yeah, we see it. We saw it.
It's the wrong way. Here it is. Got you! Got you!
Ah, give mo yung ano, medicine niya. Why are you putting him on my shorts? Just on the ground. Look, oh, ang dami mo na feather na natatanggal sa kanya.
I
Open
told
his mouth.
him.
Open his mouth. Ah, hold this.
Open your mouth. Now my hands are dirty.
That's just a medicine color.
Hey, there's a coco food. There's a coco food.
Getting stressed na.
There's some coco food.
I'll put him here in inside muna ha.
Guys, my papa forgot something to bring, but he put him back inside. So let's wait for a second.
So guys, Zane will show us.
All?
No. Just a little.
Come out.
Let me.
Okay.
Then how will you put it there?
Slowly put it. Slowly put it.
What's the color? Oh, a little pa. Open mo yung cup. No, wag na dyan sa kutsara at hindi naman na shoot. Up. Shake it. Close it and then shake it. That's their juice. What flavor juice? What flavor, Jane? Lemon juice.
With chicken juice.
Chicken juice.
Good? Good, Papa?
Yeah, that should be enough.
I think more. That's good. That's good.
Yeah. You did a good job shaking it.
Good now. Good. Good now. I know.
Yes. Put it on the side. So when the papa arrived, he got a food. Oh, he got a food. Got a water. Oh, let's check if there's a clocker na.
I was playing Piggy and then I got scared.
Zane's playing Roblox and the game is Piggy. And he got super scared. That's why we stopped the gaming na. So guys, shout out sa Kataps
I'm
TV.
gone. I'm Miss Baseball.
And kay
I am Miss
Rai
Baseball.
or Rie, si Ason, yung kaibigan natin dyan sa what? You're still scared? We stop it na nga eh. Don't play those games na, the scary games.
I could play mouse.
Yeah, the mouse lang. Wag yung mga piggy.
I could play mouse.
So guys,
I mean, I got to play kitty. It's not like piggy.
I will just check as well sa clocker.
Yeah, it's not you like got
May
dead.
nagpa-clock na.
It means you got trapped in.
You
The
suppose
papa,
na.
it's your papa.
Wala, joking.
Yes, it is.
You're kidding us eh.
Yes, it is.
Let's see how Papa improve on this lap. And his unwavering instinct to go home.
No, I be.
You don't know instinct? What is instinct?
Poo-poo.
Panay ka pupu. That's all you know, pupu. So guys, sisilip muna ako sa klaro. So guys, kumuha kami ng tubig at nauhaw na si Zane. And some, what's on your mouth? Lollipop.
Mochi.
Mochi. Short break guys. You want to go down na ba? Or you want to stay here lang?
Yeah, so we can make a picture of the papa.
But it's so hot eh. Kawawa ka naman. You're okay? Alright. So,
This is how to do a red thumbs up. You put the cover here and then you do this.
so wala pa rin nagpapaklak guys. Oras natin ay 12:08.
It is 12:61:8.
61:08.
Yeah.
So, abang-abang pa tayo guys.
Papa,
What?
I'm making a video.
You're making a video na?
Yeah.
What time is it? Just say time check.
Time check.
What time?
1:258.
So it's 12:58 guys. And we're still waiting. Pero may mga dumadating na. So guys, may ilan-ilan na nagpapaklak. And sana umabot din yung katin. So guys, oras 1:13. So kataran, stiff neck ang inabot. Wala pa, unti pa lang nagpapaklak guys. Mukhang nahatak yung iba. Yes. So guys, medyo makulimlim. Umusog yung kulimlim. Paparating na dito sa atin. Tingnan nyo. Sana hindi ulan. So guys, abang-abang tayo. Makain na din ako. Dito na ako kumain sa taas. So update ko kayo guys. Sana makapagpaklak ulit tayo. Maaga pa. 1:30 pa lang. Maya-maya. Ang dami kasing pameke eh. So, 5 muna. So guys, time check 1:37. So, nag-iba na yung panahon. Makulimlim na. Kaya siguro matagal umuwi ng iba. Pero hindi naman umulan eh. Pero di natin alam doon sa norte kung umulan. So ito yung paligid natin. Bigla nag-iba na. Ayan guys oh. Biglang maulap na medyo madilim. Parang hapon na tuloy ngayon. Oh. Parang hapon na kasi madilim. So sana makapagpaklak din tayo. Congrats nga pala, sinoutout ko lang oh si RYA Siason. May palusot na siyang isa. Nasa 1K pa speed. So sana makapagpaklak din tayo. Shoutout nga din pala kay Reyes Siason. Nagpapa-shoutout lang siya tapos nakita ko mayroong clock. Nasa 1K pa speed. So congrats sa'yo kapatid. Tayo, abang-abang pa tayo. Hanggang alas 3 pa ako dito sa bubong. Depende sa oras ng uwi ni Blue Bar. Sana hindi umulan doon sa norte. O ano bang nangyari doon? Bakit ang tagal? So update ko kayo mamaya guys.
So what's up guys?
So guys, Jane is back and he brings a snack. A chicharon.
Yeah.
Is it a sweet? Is it salty?
It is sour snack.
Sour snack. So time check natin. 2:00 ng tanghali.
I need some water.
Is that our Papa Cook?
I need some
That's our Papa Cook, Zane. That's our Papa Cook. That's our Papa Cook. I told you. Go here, go here, go here. That's our Papa Cook. Is that ours or no?
I think no.
No, yeah, no. I thought it's our Papa Cook na eh. Because he's trying to get down here on our place eh.
I think he got trapped.
Save him.
It's so strong, but he can't. He removed it now. And then he dropped it, and then he breathed it, and then he can't fly anymore. He rested now.
Our Papa Cook fresh.
Yeah, and we're taking a break.
Taking a
Sound
break
snack.
also.
Papa, I was right. My face look like this.
Show to the camera. Look at this lens. Oh.
I said this was my face look like when I was doing it.
You look at here para you saw yourself.
I need some water. It's too sour.
I don't have. I'm showing our viewers that we're eating.
Papa, don't eat this yet because I gotta go down to drink water.
So guys, oras natin 2:30, 2:40. So ayun, wala pa. Last 1 hour guys.
Oh no!
Sana mabot pa siya sa clock. Kasi alam ko na mauwi siya eh. Sana lang magpa-clock tayo. Mamara ako ng supplier guys. Pero ilang buwan lang to? 4? 5? Kala ko hen. Mga kasing hen eh. Barako pala. So guys, 3:45 na. And cut off na. So we did not win today. But we will see him later or tomorrow. The Papa Flyer. Why you look so sad? So guys, bukas na lang, abangan pa natin siya. Or hanggang mamayang gabi. Hintayin pala natin yung clocking.
Papa, I think we will win.
Think we will win? No,
Yeah, again.
timer runs out na eh.
But we already got that code.
Not yet. Wala pa yung code eh.
Papa,
No, that's the auntie.
what else the Papa?
So,
Wait, Papa. There's something there. What is that? Okay. Papa, remember our... That one is catching the mama.
so guys, merong 20 clockers. And sa kabila, so merong 14 clockers. Hindi tayo pinalad guys. Hindi umabot si Papa Flyer. Kataran, stiff neck ang inabot. So guys, abang-abang lang guys. Wait lang guys. Dadating din yan guys. Huwag mawala ng pag-asa guys. Kala ko pa naman guys, magaling na ako. Nung dumating na yung kataran eh, wala pa tayong paklak.